What's up, everybody? Big Hurt, Car Hustle. I know it's been a minute, haven't put together anything in a while. I've been real busy, but I'm gonna start putting together more car videos for you guys. Got the Car Hustle shirts jumping off at freshoffseries.com. You can order one. Anyways, I'm at the Moulin car show in Newport Beach. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a sneak peek of what they got going on out here. And if you got anything you're interested in seeing or you want to talk about anything, shoot me a message in the comments. All right, you guys. I'm gonna start off with Porsche Row. A lot of Porsches.
And if it is, then you are just making it better. It's also true.
Because I don't really live anywhere, not going where I have to deal with speed bumps, so it's not like a huge deal there.
Well, even then, it's not. That's a reasonable draw.
Ferrari row over here. I'll give you guys a sneak peek of some cool Ferraris.
Yeah, that's not your typical. That's Porsche.
See so many of these out here in Newport Beach. That's crazy, the money that's out here in Orange County. Got a old school in the mix.
Yeah, so like right there, like the body there.
Money over there now. So when I call my now ex, but then wife, I call her, I'm like, honey, but
Some more Porsches for you guys. An Aston. The 488.
no,
Cool NSX.
Is it bad?
There's no way that's steady.
I mean, if it is, the guy's dedicated.
Got nice body mods, but not overly done. Very nice.
A lot of us now, you don't seem to get turned out unless you go to shows.
some Pagani in. Okay, McLaren.
Owen, we're gonna stay later in OC. We're gonna stay later in OC.
That's nice too, right?
Yeah, I guess you.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, that's the new one we just got it.
Often you see two Pagani and a McLaren side by side. Nice for the floating. P1 Pagani Roadster and Pagani Coupe. Moulin Car Show, Newport Beach. So there you have it. That's the Moulin Car Show. There's a few more cars out here, but pretty much, after that point, they're redundant. But nice little turnout. Time to go get some grub, have a little breakfast, and see what else is jumping off for the day. All right, you guys. Car Hustle. I'm out.